Hello everyone, this is Nikita. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use SUMIFS function in Excel. Now, before you understand how to use SUMIFS function, it is important to understand how to use SUMIF function. For that, I have a separate video on it and I will mention the link here in the I button above. So do check out that video. And if you know how to use SUMIF function, then let's start with this one. Now SUMIFS is used to do the sum of a range which meets not one but multiple criteria. Like if you remember in SUMIF, there was one criteria that you needed the sum of. But what if you have more than just one criteria? Then in such cases, you can use SUMIFS function. Let's see how to do that in Excel. Here in this table, I have project name, the month in which that project was active and the number of people working on that project. What I want to do is, I want to know the number of people working in the month of January on project CO9. As you can see, there are two criteria I have here, project name and month, and that's why I'm going to use SUMIFS formula here. For that, open SUMIFS formula. The first argument here is sum range. Now sum range means the range from which you need your sum from. Here number of people is what I want to know the sum of. So I will select the range of number of people, means this column, comma. The second criteria here is criteria range 1. Now criteria range 1 is you have to select the range where your first criteria is present. Now my first criteria is project name, so I will select the range where all my project names are available, which is this range. I'll select the range, comma. The third argument here is criteria 1, which means I need to select my first criteria. My first criteria is project CO9, so I'll select that, comma. Now the fourth argument is criteria range 2. Now if you see, this argument is in square bracket. That means this is an optional argument. That means that you can use SUMIFS formula even if you have only one criteria. So if you have multiple criteria, you can keep on selecting all the criteria ranges and criteria so on. So here I will select the second criteria range, which means the month range. I'll select this column where all my months are given, comma, and the fifth argument will be criteria 2, which is the month from which I want my sum from, which is January. I'll select January. And if you have more than just two criteria, you can keep on selecting all the criteria range and criteria so on. I only have two criteria, so I'll select only two and I'll close the bracket and enter. Now here I have got the sum of all the people working on project CO9 and in the month of January. So this is how we use SUMIFS function in Excel. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for watching.